This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 17th, 2023. It's currently February 21st, 2023, 3:21 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file which we're about to play was created on February 16th, 2023 at 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, first off, I had a clear kinetic impression take place while shuffling where the tower card flew out of the deck. So extra prominence to the tower card here being that it's the theme card now. Significant decline throughout the day. These high correlators at the end of the day, I don't see them being highs for the day. I see them being more like crests on the way down. They both have a sharp drop related to them on the 1 month. On the 1 month, we're now in the universe kind of territory, right? We're on the 17th, and we see the universe here towards the end of the day. So off of a crest or peak, there'll be a significant decline standing out on a multi-day chart, or at least on a one-day chart, but on a multi-day chart. And then behavior around the highest high, we have a significant decline off of the highs or highs. Where we attempt to establish support and we fail to establish support at a new, we turn resistance into support. We fail to hold that support and we decline from there. Behavior around the low slow, there's the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support, and that decline takes us into the lowest price level there at the end of the day, it looks like. I'm advised to trade around a crest that we sell down to and through a support level from. We do a U-shaped reversal below that support level, come back and reuse it as support. In the pre-market, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. Looks like we have the peak or crest here early in the pre-market, and we sell off from there. There's like a there's a few attempts at resistance and then a sharp drop there around the open. That turns into a U-shaped dip. We come back from that a little bit. Around the time there's a speaker around 10 o'clock that can be trusted, but there's a speaker there around 10 o'clock. We do like this U-shaped dip coming back up to the other side of the U around that time, around 10 to 10:30-ish. From that second peak, that the other side of the U, we decline through multiple support levels, including a prominent support level that we recently broke down through once before. Probably in the late morning session, and then midday around noon, there's a failed attempt to break through key resistance that we attempted to break through once before, followed by a decline through key support. And then we have a crest that forms around the 1 to 2 o'clock hour, followed by a sharp drop off of that crest. And then more decline there between the 2 to 3, like mid-afternoon session. Another crest forms in the last hour with some sideways fluidity, some back and forth price behavior along a key support. Could it be like price swings there? But again, that crest we sell off from significantly. And you can see we have a selling from overbought crest or peak in the post-market. So there's a little bit of a rally here at the very end of the day. But that precedes a decline, and you can see the decline happens around the close or in the post-market. The sneak preview for the following day, there's an agreement between two leaders or decision of some kind that's highlighted that impacts the masses, and usually there's a holding pattern with a pop and drop involved in there. That's the S&P 500 for April 17th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and my friends, make sure to always follow the rule of karma. Doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100,000. It's a matter of following the rule of karma every single time you profit from this information. Remember, we're doing the work whether or not money is made. So when the money is made, make sure you follow that rule of karma. The universe will not allow you to continue profiting if you fail to do so, my friends. It protects the channel. It protects the flow of wealth coming from this information must be for positive karma, or it just won't happen. So make sure you're following that rule of karma. 5% forward, 5% backwards, right? Forward here, any of these charities, 5% backwards, PayPal, Cash App, and make sure whatever you spend that money on, you spend it out of love. As long as you do that, my friends, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. Blessings for finding the channel. Congratulations. And my friends, I'll see you on the next one.